Who am I? In the never-ending stream of traffic, I am the guardian of urban order. Is everyone clear? Yes, sir. Move out!
Possible wildfire detected in a vacant lot behind Xindao Community's back mountain. We need to mobilize immediately to support.
On the front lines of rescue, I am the vanguard, charging towards danger. Amidst countless lights of homes, I am the defender of civilization's border. Every call to action, I come prepared, quickly diving into operational scenes, becoming a reliable partner for frontline heroes. I am Autel Robotics Lightweight Enterprise Drone, EVO Lite Enterprise Series. Weighing in at only 866 grams, I am never a burden, always ready to go. Flying freely, I excel in completing missions. With the new Autel Smart Controller SE-V2, create quick missions with ease, swiftly reaching distant targets for the next operation. Combined with intelligent AI recognition, precisely capturing key clues like people, vehicles, and boats. Customizable toolbar, offline maps, and other auxiliary functions. Optimizing operational experience to meet personalized needs. EVO Lite 640T Enterprise. In fire rescue or wilderness search and rescue scenarios, dual camera split screen comparison, clearly discerning subtle differences in heat sources, detecting temperature anomalies or trapped individuals, responding swiftly, providing decision-making support for operational teams. EVO Lite 6K Enterprise. In police security or traffic enforcement scenarios, with the sharpness of a 6K visible light camera, clearly observing suspicious targets. Autel Skylink 2.0 HD image transmission and visual perception obstacle avoidance, equipping it with the ability to resist environmental interference and ensure flight safety. Stable signal transmission in one seamless flow. Open Mobile SDK 2.0, offering efficient, rich, and easy-to-use control and service interfaces. Data encryption to protect privacy and security. Intelligence, simplifying every complex operation. Exploration, revealing every trace with precision. Pioneering, ensuring every flight's mission's completion. Lightweight, yet extraordinary. I am Autel Robotics EVO Lite Enterprise Series.